Mary? I've been looking everywhere for you. What happened? Please, Lisa. I don't want to talk right now. Just leave me alone. What happened? I went to a store today because I wanted to buy a dress. Excuse me, I want to buy this shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
I need medium size.
Medium? Yes?
Yes. Can you give me one medium?
Of course.
How much money is this?
It's $20.
$20? That's too much money.
We have a cheaper one. Medias?
Show me the cheap one. Can you give me one medium? What?
Nothing.
You are laughing. We just thought your sentence was funny. Which sentence? Show me the cheap one. What's wrong? Show me the cheap one. It sounds a little strange. How should I say it? You can say, "Do you have a cheaper one?"
Yes. That's better.
Okay, I am learning. Can I try this dress?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Where is the trying room? Again? Sorry, but trying room sounds funny. Where is the fitting room?
Right.
Okay, I understand. You should learn English before you go shopping. Excuse me? I didn't mean... I said you should learn English better. I know my English is not good. We were only joking. Maybe you are joking. But I'm standing here trying to speak a language I don't know well. And you are laughing at every mistake I make.
She's right. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language.
I know. But I can't learn if I'm afraid to speak.
Are you still buying it?
No. Wait, we didn't mean to hurt you. You already did. Anna, that wasn't funny. I know. Mary? I've been looking everywhere for you. What happened? Please, Lisa. I don't want to talk right now. Just leave me alone. I can see that you've been crying. Something serious happened. I said I'm fine. Please don't ask me anything. You're not fine, and you don't have to pretend with me. Tell me what happened. Why do you keep asking? Can't you just give me some space? I will give you space when you're ready. But I'm not going to walk away while you're sitting here crying by yourself. I wish you had just left. Then tell me why you want me to leave. Because I'm embarrassed, Lisa. I don't want anyone to see me like this. Embarrassed about what? My English. What happened? I went to a store today because I wanted to buy a dress. I tried to speak English. And someone made fun of you? They didn't just make fun of me. They laughed at almost everything I said. One girl looked at her friend and laughed when I asked for the fitting room. Then they started correcting every sentence I said. I knew I was making mistakes, but I couldn't stop. The more nervous I became, the worse my English sounded. Mary, making mistakes doesn't mean you're stupid. But standing in front of people is different. What did you feel when they laughed? I felt like everyone in that store was looking at me. And that's why you ran away? Yes. You shouldn't have had to face that kind of behavior. But standing in front of people, maybe they were right. Right about what? Maybe I shouldn't speak English until I learn it properly. That's exactly the wrong lesson to learn from this. Come inside, Lisa. I don't want you to leave yet. Of course, we have some English work to do today. After everything that happened, I think I need it. Then let's turn today into a fresh start. I still feel embarrassed when I think about the store. Don't give their laughter power over you. Next time, I want to speak without feeling scared. Good. Then that's exactly what we'll practice. But before we start, can I make you some tea? Tea sounds perfect. You've had a difficult day. I'll make the tea. You sit and relax. Deal. But don't disappear into the kitchen. Here you are. I hope you like it. Thank you. Now, are you ready? I'm ready, but I'm already nervous. Good. Nervous means you care. It doesn't mean you can't do it. What if I make the same mistakes again? Then I'll stop you, correct you, and we'll try again. So you're not gonna laugh at me? Never. I'll correct you, but I'll never shame you. So how do we practice? We make one rule. Every mistake becomes a lesson.